I'm Jim from Media Technologies, and today I'm going to show you the basics of our new Lightboard room. In this room, we have everything you need to create a video where you can actually write with light, much like you do on a whiteboard. From there, you can edit it and post it online for your students. Now, before we get going, you're going to have to turn on a few things in the room, and the first thing is the actual Lightboard. Next, you're going to have to turn on the switcher. The power switch is located in the back of the switcher behind the fader bar. Next, you're going to have to turn on the preview monitor, which is how you're going to see yourself. And the final step is turning on the camera. Now, if you've done all 4 of these steps, you're ready to record. Now, we would like it if you had one of us with you the first time you're using the room, just to make sure you have a great experience. We're there to help you. Now, you might be asking yourself, how do you record on the system? And the answer is easy. It's a thumb drive. We have several here on the table that you can use, or you can bring your own. And all you need to do is to plug it right into here, and you're ready to record. Before you begin, it's a good idea to pre-populate the board with anything that you might be talking about. Trust me, it's a time saver. We also ask that you clean the board only with the cloths that we provide. The sooner that you clean it, the easier it is. When you're ready to record, just hit the record button next to the thumb drive. It'll blink for a few seconds, and when it turns solid red, you're ready to record. Stand behind the glass in the middle of the Lightboard and start your presentation. When you're finished, you can hit the stop button, which is located right next to the record button. Now you're ready to edit your presentation. And you can either edit it on your own computer and take the footage with you, or you can edit it right here. Turn on the computer and log in using your college username and password. Next, take the thumb drive from the recorder and plug it into the computer. Now you're ready to start using your footage. If you did more than one recording, there'll be a folder for each time you started and stopped. Create a folder on the computer in the Lightboard Projects folder and copy your footage. Name the folder something you'll be able to find later. Once the footage is copied, pull out the thumb drive and put it on the desk. Open Camtasia 9 and select New Project on the opening screen. Drag your footage from the Media Bin window in Camtasia from the Footage folder. Once it's there, drag the footage onto the timeline below the Media Bin. You'll probably need to trim in the beginning and the end of your clip, and you do that by simply clicking the edge of the footage and dragging it to the start of your presentation. You do the same thing for the end of the video by clicking on the end of the footage and dragging it to where you ended. To make audio sound as good as it can, click the Audio Effects tab from the left side menu and then drag Volume Leveling and then Noise Removal onto the whole clip. And then click Share in the upper right-hand corner. Log in to TechSmith Relay using your regular username and password. Choose Radarcast, then name your presentation. Hit Submit. After it's done, just hit OK and you're done. Before you shut everything down, make sure you save your Camtasia project in the folder where you put your footage. When you open GroupWise, you'll find that you sent yourself a link to the video. That's the one that you're going to send to students, post on YouTube, or put on Blackboard. And remember, if you need closed captioning for your video, you're going to need to submit a form for that. If you need to schedule the room, call the DLIT department at 234-3205, Or if you're working in the room, call the media office at 3830 and we can help you. We're right across the hall. Good luck with your video and thank you.